Hello everyone, it's Adam here. Ignore the state of the GS because we're installing advanced handguards today. These are the old ones, so these are the ones with aluminum bracket all the way through. The new ones are a nylon composite, which is the same material as the MachineArt Moto X heads are made out of. So if you have those, you'll be familiar. Let's go take a look at them actually. And as you can see, the bike is a little bit, yeah. So here are the new ones. All nylon around there. We're gonna get this install started. So before we get started with this install, I thought I'd mention there is an advanced handguard install already on my YouTube channel. This is identical from what I can tell, but I am gonna be using all the new parts. New hardware is good. So we're gonna be starting, well, for me, by just removing this bolt here, and then removing the carrier over here, and this all looks identical to what I have, but I just wanna make sure. So you're gonna have these going around your handlebars. These are going to be hooking into the handlebars like that. This little divot where your cables go through, then your advanced handguards screw into this piece here. This is a spacer that will go inside of here. See that? It comes out from your handlebar right there, and then you screw everything down and you're done. You won't get Velcro. That's an Adam thing. And these go on the end caps as well to screw into. So all pretty straightforward, but we're going to install anyway, just like it's a fresh one. This bolt was a size 8 hex, and this is a Torx T30, and then you'll have this coming right off. By the way, this new Flexi drive, so nice. It's on Amazon. Link in description. All right, so let's look at these things side by side. So here's the new one and the old one. Weight a couple of pounds, weight about 8 or 9 ounces. So you're shaving at least a pound off of these both. As far as the angle goes, you're looking at this from like a mold perspective. They look identical. Same cutout as nylon, same lifter as nylon, and this is obviously aluminum. You know, I can definitely understand why, let's look at the inside, why you guys are skeptical. Yes, this is the one solid piece, and this has the divots there for strength. I can definitely see why you guys are skeptical. I'm just not as worried, but I'll be keeping my aluminum one as a backup just in case. I mean, the aluminum is just has some heft to it compared to the plastic. Yeah, I can, you know, now that they're in my hands, I can definitely understand why people, there's those guys there, why people are skeptical on this. Yeah, that's all a part of the steel or aluminum, metal. Why everyone's skeptical of these things with lasting long. Let's see how it looks on the bike. You're not going to see much of a difference. So there it is on the bike. Unapologetically plastic. And I do know from dropping this thing a lot off-road that this takes a lot of hit, and that is going to transfer into probably here and bend there, but presumably it should bounce back. We'll see how it goes in real-world use. Well, they're installed, so we have the hardware is identical to the T. What was on there before, and there might be some different coating or something, I don't know, but the hardware appears identical to what was on there before. Obviously everything is now plastic, nylon, composite. I don't know, we'll see, you know. I mean, you can see now it's on. See if I can get some, you will have to see. I don't know what to tell you. You know, it's a lot of people are skeptical. The new advanced handguards, I probably won't talk about them again until they break. And I think it's unlikely to happen, but we'll see. So MachineArt Moto, thanks for sending these to me to try out. I keep trying to give them money for them, or at least return the old ones back to them or something, just something equitable. But I wanted to try them out for a year and then return them or something. I don't know. We'll see. But here they are on the bike. And good luck. Ride safe.